Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to change your passenger side mirror on your 2008 to 2012 Honda Accord. So here my passenger side mirror is cracked and I'm about to replace it. To get access to your mirrors, this thing right here, you just want to remove it. To get access to your mirrors, you just want to remove this piece right here. You got your speakers and your mirror wires right here. And you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts. Alright, you just wanna remove these. You just wanna remove these bolts right here. And that's a 8mm bolt. You just want to be careful because you don't want it to fall inside. Then you just want to remove these bolts right here. These are 10mm bolts. And you just want to be careful with these bolts because you don't want them to fall inside. Yeah, just remove the speaker because it wasn't and to access this one right here. I think that's the 8mm bolt right here. This one. Take this off. You can access this bolt better. This one's not on. Yeah, I couldn't access that bolt so good, so I just removed this piece. I think I have a better chance with it, yeah.
She was gonna surprise my mom, but my mom didn't go to work today.
And you just want to be careful with it. Right.
Good thing, because she's not gonna be here. She's got her teeth and everything. And he was warning mom, like, I'm not going to work. So now she's here.
And that's how you remove it. Here's the mirror that we're gonna be installing. It looks big. It looks way bigger than the one that I got on. This thing looks way bigger. When you take your old mirror off, your old mirror should have a gas stick on it. You just want to take this gas stick off. That seals it from like water coming in. And you just want to put that gas stick on your new mirror that you got installed. Yeah, and it should fit perfect just like this. Yeah, you just wanna snap it back into the hole where it came from. And before you connect everything, you just wanna put this in, see if it works. You just wanna plug it up and see if it's working. Can you do it, babe? And yeah, you can see it moving. Yeah. You just wanna put your bolts back together now. And everything. When you're putting the small screw back, you just want to be careful putting it back because you don't want it to fall inside. Just like that. Not really. I need one more screw. Actually, two more screws. The other one goes right there. And this one comes right here. Then you just want to tighten your screws up. After you attach all your wires, your speakers, your mirror wires back, you just want to take this and just snap it back in. Just want to snap this back in just like that. And there you go. That's how you install your mirror.